Variables are an area of memory we can use to store data. To access this area, we can give it an identifier in order to access or change the data stored in that memory location. The first type of data we will look at is called a string. A string is effectively text holding more than one character. Now, to create a variable, first I need to give it an identifier. At this point, I'm going to call it animal. I then need to assign it a piece of data. As mentioned, I'm going to store a string in this variable. In this case, I'm going to assign it cat. All strings are surrounded by speech marks. Now that I've assigned the variable, I'm going to want to output it to the screen using a print statement. Variables don't need to be surrounded by speech marks when referred to them anywhere in the code. As we can see, my program now prints out the data stored in my variable animal. In this case, it prints out the string cat. I can print out more text alongside it by separating the elements of my print statement with a comma. Now when I run the program, it shows the full sentence.